Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. I just saw that Kroger has beautiful pork chops. And how about trying out this crispy pork chop recipe for this coming weekend? Good food always keeps everyone in a wonderful mood and positive vibes. Pound the meat and then sprinkle salt, pepper, and some dry rub spices to season the meat. Coat with eggs and tempura batter mix and pan fry on a non-stick pan, each side for about 6 to 8 minutes. Serve with sliced bell peppers and also some corn cobs. A delicious platter is now presented, and I'm sure you will get lots of compliments for it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.